Assalamu alaikum, dear students. As you know, schools are closed because of COVID-19 situation. So I will be taking your classes online by posting videos on YouTube. If you have any questions, ask me in group. Today topic is complex numbers. It is on page number 47. What are complex numbers? ये बताने के लिए and why they are they introduced in mathematics. मुझे आप बच्चों को सबसे पहले first I have to tell you its history कि why scientists need to introduce these numbers in mathematics. Okay, girls मैं start करती हूँ square root कुछ numbers के ले रही हूँ. I am taking square root of two pair of numbers. First number is 2 minus 1. Girls, when I subtract 1 from 2, its answer is 1, and you know square root of 1 is 1. Again, another pair of numbers. The numbers are 9 minus 5. Under root of 9 minus 5 is 4, and you know square root of 4 is 2. Another pair of number, let's suppose it's 90 minus 9. The result is 81, and you know all that the square root of 81 is 9. Girls, have you noticed one thing? In these pair of numbers, this number 2, it is greater than the second number. Again, in second example, 9 is greater than 5, 90 is greater than 9. Now, if I change their position of these three pair of numbers in under square root, let's see what happened. The number, if I write it as 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2 is minus 1, and square root of minus 1, if you check it from calculator, you see it will give you maths error. Again, second, 5 minus 9, I am changing the position. I wrote a smaller number before greater number. Its answer is minus 4, and from calculator its answer is again maths error. Now in third set, still the same order, smaller number मैं पहले लिख रही हूँ before larger number. See, it's minus 81. Again, when you find its under root from calculator, it will give you maths error. What is the reason? Can you see the difference? Calculator is giving you answer of under root 1, square root 4, square root 81. But calculator is not giving you the answer of square root of minus 1, minus 4, minus 81. Where is the problem? Numbers are same. Here is 1, it's minus 1, 4, minus 4, 81, minus 81. Numbers, see, numbers, digits are same, but because of this negative sign, this sign is creating problem. So what is the solution? Calculator is giving you only the answer of positive under root 1, positive 4, and positive 81, not minus 1, minus 4, minus. So साइंटिस्ट ने क्या किया कि ये जो नेगेटिव साइन है, दिस नेगेटिव साइन विच इज़ क्रिएटिंग प्रॉब्लम इन फाइंडिंग स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ एनी नंबर, उन्होंने ये किया कि इसको सेपरेट कर लिया. माइनस 1 सेपरेट कर लिया, नेगेटिव साइन सेपरेट कर लिया, और 4 सेपरेट कर लिया इन दिस पार्ट. इन दिस स्क्वायर रूट minus 1 सेपरेट कर लिया और 81 सेपरेट कर लिया. फर्स्ट ऑलरेडी नेगेटिव था, सो they give this minus 1, square root of minus 1, this minus 1, this minus 1, they name it as iota. Spelling IOTA, iota, and it shows imaginary number. Means आपके पास imaginary unit, you can say not number here, you can say imaginary unit. Means आपके पास ये जो भी है, you will call this minus 1 as iota, this one as iota, under root of 4 is 2, it is again iota, and under root of 81 is 9. So the numbers iota, 2 iota and 9 iota. Okay, now on book I am reading, you all should be with me. We recall the square of a real number is non-negative, so the solution of the equation x square plus 1 is equal, or x square equals to minus 1 does not exist in R. Again girls, you see this negative sign, when they take square root, its solution does not exist. To overcome this inadequacy of numbers, real numbers, we need a number whose square is minus 1. Thus, the mathematicians were tempted to introduce a larger set of numbers called the set of complex numbers, which contains R and every number whose square is negative. Underline this thing, girls. They invented a new number, minus 1, called the imaginary unit, and is denoted it by letter iota, having the property that iota square is equals to minus 1. Obviously girls, if iota is equals to minus 1, then iota square will be minus, if iota is equals to square root of minus 1, then iota square is equals to minus 1. Obviously iota is not a real number, you know, it's not a real number. It is a new mathematical entity that enables us to enlarge the number system to contain solution of every algebraic equation of the form x square equals to minus a is greater than 0. You know, this a is a real number, it is greater than 0, by taking new numbers, minus 1 square root. The solution of x square plus 1 is equals to 0 is this one. Note, this is very important note girls. MCQs भी आ सकता है इसमें से, अंडरलाइन कर लें इसको. क्या है? The Swiss mathematician Leonhard Euler 1707 to 1783 was the first to use symbol iota for the numbers minus 1. कौन था आपके पास? स्विस मैथमेटिशियन था, और ये उसका नेम है और ये उसका पीरियड है जिसने इंट्रोड्यूस किया दिस सिंबल आयोटा फॉर माइनस 1 स्क्वायर रूट. नंबर्स लाइक दिस एट्सेट्रा आर कॉल्ड प्योर इमेजिनरी नंबर्स. दीज नंबर्स आर प्योर इमेजिनरी नंबर्स. जिनके साथ आयोटा आएगा, दे आर प्योर इमेजिनरी नंबर्स.